Hello guys, welcome to Computer Bucket. I am Abhishek Sharma going to show you how to publish your articles, story, ideas, etc. So let us continue the video guys. First of all go to Google here, type for medium.com. Yeah, when you open the website you will get this type of interface. So simply you have to, now you have to create the account, so simply go to get it started. Guys, here you will get three options: Google, Facebook, email, by which you can log in Medium or create your account with Medium. So guys, I have already created the account, so let me continue. Let me sign in. Here I am using Google. Yeah guys, this is my Gmail account. Yeah guys, when you logging in medium.com you will get this type of interface. Here you will see the profile. Yeah, press on it, you will get here option of new story. Go to new story. Yeah guys, here our work has started. So guys, first of all we have to put the heading of our articles, which type of article we want to publish. So guys, for example I am going to publish an article on education of India. So put here heading education system in India. Guys, it's my heading. One more thing guys, here you will get the option of plus. Here you can add videos, images, embedded or new part of anything. So guys, I am going to publish an image. I am going to here put an image. Okay, so let me education of India. I have already downloaded an image on Indian education, so put it here. Yeah guys, you can see it here. One more thing guys, this image will be appear on the link of this education system in India. So when you share it, you will see that the link will appear with this image. So always put that image here which you want to appear, so with your link. Okay, so guys, it's my heading. So here you can now start your articles. For example, education in India. Guys, one more thing here, if you want to make it bold, here you will get out the option of bold. Bold. If you want to, here now you can see that it is bold. If you want to make it italic, press on italic. You can see now it changed in italic. If you want to make it larger, so press on large T. Here you will get in this way you can put here. So guys, you can also copy paste here. So I am going to copy here from education of India. Here let me copy here. Let it do. That's okay. Control C, copy, and Control V. Guys, you can see that here it is look like it. Make it smaller. Let me make it small. So press on small D. Here, small T. add the image any part of your articles. For example, if you want to add an image again, you can add from here. From for example, I am here image I have. Let me post. You can see. Yeah, in this way you can put your image. In this way you can explain your projects. In this way, after completing, let me again copy the content. That's let me copy, Control C. Here guys, now in this way you can create a whole project. So guys, when you write your art, when you completed your articles or story, now the you have to publish it. So how to publish? Here the option is given of publish. Press on it. Here you can see that the first image we have uploaded, it's seen here. So here you have to give the tag of articles. For example, I am giving Indian education. Indian education. Yeah guys. Now publish. Here. Guys, here you can see that the alert box come and so that your story is published. So our story has published. Now you can share it with or copy the story link, share with LinkedIn, share with Twitter, share with Facebook. So wherever you want to share, you can share. For example, I am going to share in my LinkedIn. So you can see. My LinkedIn is opening. So here we have to put some comments. For example, I am publishing an article on Indian education. Guys must read. So guys, it is now here it asking for recipients. For example, I am going to send it my friend. Here you can send option. Guys, my story has sent. Click on view message. Guys, you can see that our story has sent, and here the post which I share with my friends. Yeah guys, press on it. Guys, you can just read our story simply, which I have created. It appear here. So guys, that's all for today.